everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you where and how to download the best Xeno Executor for our game out there right now. Let's get started! First of all, you need to go to the website. Click the download button and wait for the installer to finish downloading. Once you have fully downloaded our installer, double-click it with the left mouse button. Follow the installation steps and wait for the installation to complete. After that, you can start the game and enjoy the Xeno Executor. And right now, I'm going to show you what it's capable of in game.